my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are talking about the XEM coin, friends. A very urgent update for all XEM holders. So if you are a holder of XEM, so please keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now friends, first of all we talk about the XEM currently price, and after that I will talk about the latest update of XEM coin, friends. Now friends, let's start the video without wasting any time, friends. First of all we talk about the currently price of XEM. 0.356559 USD dollar is the currently price of XEM coin, friends, in a USD dollar, friends. If we talk about the latest update, the latest price change occur in the XEM coin, so the last 1 hour change is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week change as positive, friends. Now, unfortunately, and the last 1 hour, the falling period of XEM coin all starts now. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the XEM coin, friends. Oh my god! Here's the good news for all of you. Don't worry about XEM fast, which I showed you in the last 1 hour price change. That is the temporary fast, as you can see here. But pray this fast is not a long-term fast, friends. Pray for it, friends. If we look, the last 1 day price change occur in XEM, so the last 1 day price change is about positive 2.18%, friends. The highest price of the XEM in the last 1 day is about 0.355681 USD dollar. Is the highest price of XEM in the last 1 day, friends. Now friends, the urgent update is that the falling period, as I show you, the last 1 hour price change are starts now and negative, friends. So maybe they fast down for a long term due to the start of new month, friends. As you know, today is the third day of a new month, friends, and that is why the every cryptocurrency is fast down, same like that. XEM coin also fast down for a little time. After some passage of time, they again take a jump, friends. So don't worry about the falling of XEM coin, friends. After some time, they again take a jump, as you can see here. Now friends, if we talk about the currently at this time live price of XEM in the market is about 0.353857 USD dollar is the currently price of XEM in the market live, friends. So if you want to buy, so that is the price, friends. Now what is the decision you decide at this time as the best time to buy, sell or hold, friends? According to my personal experience, my suggestion for all of you is that to hold your coin, because it's just a beginning. I think and this month they can hit approximately, if this kind of change continue, so they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar before the Dogecoin, friends. What's your opinion about XEM? Please share your opinion in the comment box, friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.